Hi, welcome to today's vlog. Today is Friendship Day and we, aka Rampa, are on meeting. Everyone is late. I'm the only one here. I'm early. Yash is going to get his master's degree at Indiana University. And he is leaving on 4th August. Today is 1st August, so we're going to meet him. Hopefully for the second last time. Meet him once on that day. And he waits for the airport. I am here in Meadows. It is 4 PM. We decided to meet Yash at 5. And everyone is going to write some stuff in the scrapbook that we made. I'm walking around in Meadows. Meadows. The weather is very nice, so I really don't mind walking around. Guys, some good news. Angad just texted that he is near his building and I am kind of also near his building, so we'll meet on the way. And I won't be alone anymore. JK, I like being alone, but it's good to have someone else because everyone else is so late. That is Angad.
Rampa series finale take 2. Wait now.
It's the season finale.
Series finale. Our show is done. This is the end. इसके बाद तो spin off होएगा. That's Rohan. Hi guys.
Okay. Hi.
नहीं बढ़िया अलग vlog बनेगा. Kumar bye bye.
This is Kumar bye bye vlog.
Rampa finale. And so we'll have ऐसा montages from our day one and like अभी जैसे like how characters change.
Characters.
We are all characters, no?
Yeah. Advait is the main character.
Yes, we are all side characters. Advait is the main, the protagonist. And just the anarchy के लिए ना.
This is going to get cut.
उसमें समझेगा.
ऐसे beep डालूंगी मैं beep.
उसमें character समझेगा किसका अच्छा था किसका गंदा था. Okay, so अभी time is 4:26. And we have told Kumar that we are meeting at 5 o'clock.
This I already introduced. I had a lot of time, so I was just talking to myself.
So this is all useless. You told कि हम लोग मिलके क्या करने वाले हैं?
Yes. But you can speak in more
मेरे को बता देना
detail.
bro, मेरे को नहीं मालूम. So हम लोग जल्दी आए. रोहन सुन. हम लोग जल्दी आए because Shalmali has made a notebook जिसमें सब photos हैं and there are empty pages. So उसमें we all write messages for Kumar. Like hi Kumar, bye. ऐसा सब. And then उसके बाद we'll close it and we'll give it to her. Everybody has to write minimum and 500 words. हाँ bro ऐसे लिखवाया है. हाँ 5 marks का आंसर है.
नहीं तो marks कटेंगे.
Yes. And supplement भी ले. कहाँ बैठने हैं इधर बैठने. अरे bro.
I have pens. I have multicolored pens.
पेन पे बैठ के लिखिए. पेन पे बैठ के लिखिए.
हाँ पेन पे बैठ के. Hi everyone.
Around 5 o'clock बोलते ज़्यादा realistic लगेगा.
क्या?
Record हो रहा है ना?
हाँ.
The idea of the whole thing is that we are hanging out a lot more without Kumar than intended.
ठीक है 5:30 बोल दो ना उसको.
हाँ 5:30. अच्छी उसको बोल मत आज का plan cancel है.
What the?
We'll hang out at trips.
पुल करते हैं ना अंदर because it's near the. अरे नहीं यहाँ पे खड़े रह के. Which pen works? All of them. Done. What do you want to write? Oh.
यही हो रहा है इससे. So we are writing Kumar का note.
We are waiting for you, Kumar, and we are writing your book note thing.
We are having fun without you.
Yes.
एक और जने कार में ना.
Kumar, everyone is so anxious for writing a message about you. Like Shalmali and I just freestyled everything and we wrote like our thoughts and everything. Look at Srinidhi. Look at Rohan. Look at Advait.
गाड़ी
They are all literally drafting.
गाड़ी नहीं हिल रहा है.
And according to Angad, गाड़ी हिल रहा है.
तो कट होएगा ना, it will sound more like you. कर दिया रूट पीछे. तो ठीक है.
It is called Cuddle Wagon.
I've been working on my handwriting.
Do you remember who is the slowest hint giver in Codenames? That same person is the slowest writer.
Even Angad took that much time, but he had written before me. He'd written it out on his phone before and still took so much time.
So did you.
So please, नहीं मैंने 2 लाइन लिखा था वो एकदम finish. Been working on it for ages. 3 महीने पहले से he started drafting the message.
So basically yes, तेरे को एक WIP version
Before Yashin's visa even arrived, Angad was writing the message. He was writing it.
मैं सचमुच स्कूल
I
से
wish
ही
we
गया
had
था
I wish
मैसेज
we had बाहर का footage where I was
दिखाना
telling
इधर
Srini
दिखाना मुझे दिखाना
रुकना।
रुकना एक सेकंड दिखाना इधर सब
I wish we had बाहर का footage where I literally told Srini, listen, start writing on your phone. I'm also doing it right now. So अंदर you don't have to think, and she's like, nahi, I'll wing it. I'm so used to writing.
I'm reading it only and I'm doing a good job. Good fuck you.
कौन सा पहना है वो?
The one that you said you didn't want.
Is this for the vlog?
Yes.
हाँ, right.
Hi Kumar.
Hi Kumar.
Oh hi.
We are
तुम लोग कुमार को वीडियो कॉल कर रहे हो क्या?
No, we are doing Rampa girls footage. What are we doing?
Hi Kumar.
Hello.
We just wanted to make Rampa girls footage, but we don't know what to say.
We are the Rampa girls and I think we're gonna miss the better part of the extended Rampa girls.
Yes.
See, our approval is the best approval.
Ours is the only thing that matters.
Yes.
So.
All these boys know.
Yeah.
Voice किसको बोलती है?
Men हो क्या तुम लोग?
अबे रोहन तो लिखना.
अरे मेरे को
रोहन ना टाइम पास करता है.
रोहन बहुत टाइम लगाता है. रोहन कितना टाइम लगाता है?
This is Rampa boys.
ठीक है.
कॉपी करने के लिए भी इतना टाइम लगाता है and then they are like, oh Shrinuji, you're taking so much time. But
I would never say that.
I know, right? Because we gotta stand for each other.
Yeah, this is after Srinidhi has completed. Now she's distracting everyone.
Yeah. Okay, Rohan, sorry. Okay, I'm so used to call.
Oh, ये bleep करना पड़ेगा.
You are very late.
Yeah, man. It is
अभी तक आया नहीं है. 5 o'clock we were supposed to meet. Where the hell?
4:30 यार. काफी लेट हो गया देखो कुमार.
disappointing.
Who else is
Extremely
late?
disappointing.
You.
Just तेरा का क्या?
Again?
Oh damn, Angad, your legs
Yes.
don't fit.
Yeah, because इसमें सीट बहुत आगे रखा है. क्या करेंगे? Like I tried putting my left leg.
One second. रुकना वीडियो के लिए. 1 second.
You're not supposed to say it.
एक बार देखना पीछे. कितना टाइम लगाएगा? हो गया? ये.
You're not supposed to say it. This is not scripted.
I think it will
No,
be
I know
like
this.
pretty. It's like breaking the fourth
I'll
wall.
tell you
It's
someday
fine.
when-
Yeah, Fleabag.
Yeah. I'll wink at the camera. Wait, like she does.
Yeah.
Chasing you in our car.
Where
You were there in front of us,
पीछे देख तो क्या आगे देखो.
and you just crossed आगे से.
This is so sus. वो देख that's कहाँ गया वो? He's on the footpath I believe.
छाता ढूंढो. That
He's
long
wearing a
छाता.
grey t-shirt and he has a chhata.
Okay.
ये लो. So we have got this for Kumar.
Yeah.
You took the.
Yeah.
Anything to say to Yash?
कितना टाइम लगा रहा है यार? क्या काम है तेरा?
Dude, so our whole plan failed because we were like Kumar को रुका के बुलाएंगे. Then he made us wait. Now he's chilling in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There is something about this.
The tables have turned.
How the turntable.
क्या है ये?
Vlog. This is Friendship Day vlog. You want to say something?
Happy friend.
Thanks. Okay, so
We also got a friendship band.
we have something else also for you.
Yeah, I have something else also.
What? Oh my god. Yeah. Uno reverse.
Uno reverse.
Insert Uno reverse here.
But it's Cadbury, I don't know.
Oh, dude, no, man. Don't be so nice, yaar.
I'll put it in my shirt for you like an uncle. तू डालेगा मेरा है फिर.
Okay, thanks. Okay.
One more.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, I got two. You won't have? Have no.
I have it.
Okay, you can have this.
Before it starts raining, here is your gift.
There's a notebook for you to take notes, JK.
Oh my god.
क्लास में ध्यान दे रहा है this.
Thank. Okay, I will
You can see it properly.
बहुत ज़्यादा निकल रहा है. Hi. Oh wait. So we just got done with McDonald's. For the bag.
Yeah, I'm full. We love McDonald's.
Take away trash. Yes.
Insert montage of all McDonald's trips of Rampa.
You have it.
Wait, क्या खाया हम लोग ने? Holy shit. Wait, हम लोग solid business किया McDonald's.
Let's say something like we eat McDonald's.
So, cut channel. And now that's it. Bye. We'll see Yash at the airport.
Bye, vlog.
Cut to airport. Yes.
Hello. We are on time. Enter timestamp here.
And everyone else is late. Even the person about to leave to the US is not here yet.
Yeah, I think he gets concession.
Because it's his
Little bit.
building.
Yeah, it's
And he
his
has like
thing.
packing and stuff.
Yeah. So last minute packing is like anxiety.
Yeah. So the rest of us are, only the two of us are here amongst the
We are early.
others. Yeah. Prompt people.
Yes.
We should
I think
punish
it's
them.
Punish.
I don't know how.
you
Let's
have
leave
ideas?
them and go. But she has
Shalmali
Shalmali has the
ka
car.
Yeah.
How? I don't know. We'll see. We'll do something.
Yeah. Watch this space for more. Hi.
Oh hi. Where are we going, Tanvi?
We already told.
अरे तो फिर मेरे पे कैमरा क्यों रखती है?
ऐसे you give me lots of content, dude.
ठीक है.
Prepare then tell me.
क्लास जस्ट खत्म हुआ. Like I was एंड हो रहा था, लाइक समरी चल रहा था, तो मैं कैमरा बंद करके ऐसा टी शर्ट पहन रहा हूँ एंड देन इट एंडेड एंड मैं ऐसा बेल्ट पहना एंड निकला.
Nice.
So I didn't even get to like chill, but it's worth it because Kumar is going. Are you excited that Kumar is going forever?
I am happy for him, but it's also hitting me a little bit.
Excited for
Like, you
you.
know. Yeah. Yeah. तेरे लिए तो रंपा सीरीज फिनाले है.
Yeah, this is the end.
चुप रहे.
Spin off अभी बनेगा. मेरा खुद का शो will be successful, देखना.
Sure.
2 seasons of Angad. Angad in the city. That's my new show.
Advait is looking like Angad today.
Holy shit.
Twins.
Twinning क्या करता है?
I know I'm looking like you.
Twins.
Yo.
Stand together and take
मस्त शॉट है ब्रो. I want this. चेंज करेगा. चल let's stand.
Say it again.
And wait
Now
to
it sounds very fake,
Say
man.
hi from there.
Can we say hi यहाँ से?
Tell him, call him and tell him.
कॉल करना शालमली.
फिर vlog में करेंगे ना.
मेरे को व्लॉग करना है क्योंकि
दिखेगा नहीं यार अभी. तो
वो
whatever.
बेचारा is leaving the house for the last time. वो क्या पैनिक में रहेगा, like to pack shit.
विंडो में आ ब्रो.
Space buster है.
We can make him do it.
But what I was telling him was कि तू एक playlist बना of songs that you only listen for these 3 days and then never listen to them again. So you associate all your like
Oh
last
my
few
god,
days in Thane,
that is so cute.
and then like 2 months later, 3 months later, सब वापस सुनने लगे वो fuck.
Damn. It's still sad. Even if you describe it like that. You're missing Rampa girls, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, the Rampa boys aren't as fun.
Girls are better than boys.
चल group पे सब लोग bye Kumar and then we are going to Krebs. Yo.
No, but I can't hear us.
Hi.
Hi, welcome to my vlog.
क्या मस्त टाइम पे बैठा डूड, लाइक
Yeah.
परफेक्ट सिग्नल पे.
Like this is A1 coordination. Good one, Angad.
यस जी.
फोन लगा.
वीडियो कॉल करते.
Call करते हैं.
Yeah,
you
you are
broke
the
so hard on
Shalini.
the work call.
No, it was like a chiller work call. Like it was not someone senior to me, like a new analyst only. So it's like,
You are the Shalini.
no.
You know, you were referring to yourself in third person.
Amartya, does Tanish know about dance?
Just go meet Kumar.
We probably
मैं अंगद को कॉपी किया अमरत्या हम दोनों को कॉपी
Tanvi, what's the plan? क्या कर रही है?
Hi, we are going to take Polaroid with Yash and then he has to keep it.
Okay.
I know.
Hi, I'm going. Bye. What's the first thing you'll do when you reach US?
Oh, say.
I don't know, look for Jeju because he's gonna pick me up.
Oh, no, but after you're all settled, you've kept
I'll
your
probably
bags.
go poop in the bus.
Okay, after that. What's the first thing you'll do in public? Now you can't say
Correct answer, I think.
I think I'll video call you.
poop. Correct. But also, will you... Okay, what's the restaurant you'll visit first if you get the chance?
KFC.
Nice.
Oh no, it's going.
Record पूरा end no till he goes.
Yeah.
Sequence बना. He's going with such less lucky. Yeah, that's an
That-
achievement.
एक बार देखा, I was damn fascinated. I was like,
मजा
dude, we are the three like cool boys, shirt boys.
तुम लोगों को फोटो लेना था
Three
अभी
Angads.
लेते हैं फिर खड़े होके भी लेते हैं. छावा boys.
Chava chip.
Are you recording this?
Yes.
My biggest fear is when somebody trusts me with a sort of tray of food which is communally for everyone and मैं अकेला walk कर रहा हूँ and I drop it in a public place.
Hello. So this is me. Hi. I think no one else comes. This is my personal vlog time. Excuse me. On Tanish's vlog. Your personal vlog time. Yeah.
Everyone hijacks your YouTube channel.
1 second. Hi. I don't think the lighting is right.
Because वो panic हो जाएगा.
ना छोड़ना, he's more in a hurry. So
15 बोला था ना इसे के get down
No light. Yeah, guys, I think I'm the best part of this group. That is true. Yeah. Concur. You do? No, it only works if all of you are like, no. Okay, fine. Say it again. Okay, wait. Guys, no. Wait. Guys, I think I'm the best part of Rampa. Yeah.
He decided he's the main character.
Oh yeah, Advait is the main character. If we were a TV show of the series, you're the main character. We decided
but
it.
why?
We decided because सारा drama तेरे साथ होता है. You are at the center of all the drama.
Fair.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. JK, there is one more bonus clip. This is Shalmali's printer from her home. Before the Friendship Day thing, I went to Shalmali's place so that we could get started on the notebook thing, the scrapbook, whatever. But her printer wasn't working at the time. I'm not sure how she got this footage either. And we just had pizza and I came back home. It was fun. But the next day they is Advait, Angad and Shalmali went to get printouts. I wasn't invited. I'm still salty about that. You know, quote unquote, an invite would have been nice. But yeah, Shalmali made a beautiful time lapse of her just doing her crafty stuff. She is great at PowerPoint also, by the way. Like, to get all of these images in one A4 size paper, we had to do the PowerPoint thing, and she just did it like 5 minutes. It was crazy. If you're looking to hire someone who is good at PowerPoint, Shalmali is not available, I think, but you know, you can ask her. These are all the pictures. Such a cute video. And she has also taken a video of the entire notebook, which gives you more time to listen to my voice. So, I'll tell you something. When I went to her place, there was one instruction sheet that Srinidhi had sent to us, and I was the person who made the entire whatever it is called. I'm not sure. Basically, you fold a huge ass piece of paper and then it becomes a small notebook. I really don't know what it's called. I don't remember. But yeah, I think Rampa folks will get the reference, and when we are watching this 10 years down the line, hopefully we'll laugh about it. Yes, these are our baby pictures. We are so cute, man. I mean, I can't. Yes, we were running out of ideas, so we just thought we'll put our baby pictures here. Rampa girls. This is from various school trips. Such good memories. Good luck to Yash over there. Please don't make new friends. This is a reminder that we are your only friends, and this is just some stuff, man. I really don't know what to say about this. Okay, bye. Actual ending, promise.